Kind of get some practice at getting ready for these tropical systems. We're looking at the satellite perspective of Chris, now beginning to pull just a little farther away from the coast. It is still not in a hurry. It is drifting to the east and northeast, but that drift is going to accelerate to actual movement over the next 24 hours, even as Chris continues to strengthen. Right now, it's a strong tropical storm at 70-mile-an-hour sustained winds. The white line is the path so far. It's just kind of been wandering around out there, but now it's going to move off to the northeast, reach hurricane strength, but move farther away from the coast of North Carolina as we head through the next 24 to 48 hours. So still those dangerous rip currents, high surf along the coast, but those influences will wane as the storm moves farther and farther away. Our weather in central North Carolina has been ideal. There have been some folks sniffling and sneezing. I've noticed that because the grass pollen has been kicked up by the breezy conditions we had on Sunday, and there's a noticeable wind yesterday too. Medium category for those allergens today and tomorrow, down to the low category on Thursday with a good chance of rain moving in tomorrow night into early Thursday to wash some of that stuff out of the air and maybe slow down the movement of the skeeters as well. Medium category today, just enough breeze to kind of keep them from being out and about in abundance. Not so tomorrow. Back to the hot and humid weather, and then with that rain on Thursday, maybe you can get out without getting eaten to death. Looking outside right now, a beautiful view here from Carter Finley Stadium. Just enough cloud cover to reflect those early rays of sunlight. Sun comes up in about 15 minutes. 60 degrees on the button from that perspective. 57 degrees in Goldsboro. Lots of sun about to brighten the horizon there as well. We're going to see mostly sunny skies throughout the day. Just a few high clouds overhead. Temperatures in the triangle mostly in the low 60s with some upper 50s sprinkled in. 62 in Raleigh and Durham. 60 on the nose in Chapel Hill. A couple degrees warmer farther south. 63 degrees in Fayetteville. 66 is the warm spot this morning in Hope Mills. Good looking dog walking forecast early this morning. I always feel bad for the Huskies during the hot weather, but they get a break from it at least this morning. Dexter and Nikita, thank you to Lene for sharing their picture with us, just laying on that cool surface there, which they'll need later on today. Temperatures are going to warm up to just above 90 degrees by this afternoon, but the humidity still won't be a problem today. That will change tomorrow. The mugginess will be back. Hour by hour temperatures elsewhere today, well into the 80s already by noon. We reached a high of 87 yesterday. We'll be around or above 90 degrees for high temperatures later on today. Just a couple degrees warmer farther south, a couple degrees cooler farther to the north. The next chance of storms heads our way late tomorrow, mainly Wednesday evening, with the best chance Wednesday night into early Thursday. Those scattered storms are going to linger early in the day, and then we dry out for the end of the work week on Friday. I'll get out of the way here and give you a look at the full 7-day forecast. Around 90 degrees for Saturday and Sunday, with gradually increasing storm chances again over the weekend, but Saturday and Sunday both are looking okay at this point. Caught on camera, check this out. This is a meteor caught on camera, and an amateur astronomer in Missouri actually captured it, not with a telescope, but with just video surveillance he had set up in his yard. The American Meteor Society says the fireball mostly flew over Iowa and Illinois, but it gives you an idea of how far away you can see those things if it was visible from Missouri. Likely just about the size of probably a small pebble burning up way up in the atmosphere. But a reminder that we are not alone out there, Aaron.
No, we are not. And what a cool video that guy was able